Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I will show you a tutorial on how to buy Floki tokens on MEXC Global. Floki token. Floki is the utility token of the Floki ecosystem. It started as a meme but has been developed into an industry-leading utility project. Floki's innovative ecosystem offers a 3D NFT metaverse, DeFi utilities, a crypto education platform, NFTs, a merchandise store, and more. Based on CoinGecko, the Floki token can be traded on MEXC, Huobi, Binance, and so on. Now let me show you how to buy Floki tokens on MEXC Global. By the way, if you haven't signed up on MEXC Global, check the video description for the sign up link to register and get up to 1,000 USDT beginner's reward to claim. Alright, let's get to the video. Open your MEXC app and make sure you have USDT on your account. To buy Floki tokens, go to the Markets tab. Here you search for Floki USDT pairs. MEXC Global offers futures and spot trading on Floki tokens. For this video, we will use spot trading to purchase Floki tokens, so you choose Floki USDT. Tap on the buy button here. Make sure you are on the spot and buy tab. Keep it under limit order to set the buy price you want, though you can use market order to buy Floki tokens immediately using the best current market price. This red section shows the sell orders, and the green section shows the buy orders. The middle part is the token current market price. Input the buy price. And here is the amount of tokens you want to get. Since the Floki token requires huge numbers, just input here the total USDT you want to use. Let me put $10. Once all is set, you tap Buy Floki. Your buy order will usually show under Open Orders. To cancel your buy order, tap Cancel here. To check your trade history, you tap this icon. Here you see order history and trade history. That's how you buy Floki tokens on MEXC app. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you in my next video.